In this video, I will show you how to use the power of Claude and artificial intelligence to turn your published WordPress articles into ready-to-publish social media content without any manual formatting. This is the ultimate workflow for busy content creators who want to maximize their reach across multiple platforms. First, you need to open your Claude interface and prepare a very specific prompt that bridges the gap between your live site and your social strategy. You will tell the AI to find and read your published WordPress post using its exact article title. Then, you can command Claude to convert the core message into 3 unique formats at once. Ask for one punchy tweet under 280 characters, one professional LinkedIn post focusing on key takeaways, and one engaging Instagram caption filled with relevant hashtags. The true magic happens when you instruct the AI to insert these drafts directly into the bottom of your WordPress backend editor, either as a hidden draft block or an editorial notes section. This means you do not have to copy and paste back and forth between different tabs because your social content will be waiting for you right where you need it the most. By utilizing this single prompt approach, you ensure that your branding remains consistent while saving hours of tedious work every single week. It allows you to focus on the creative side of blogging while the AI handles the structural conversion for various social algorithms. This method is incredibly effective for maintaining a fresh presence on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram simultaneously. Once you see how much time this saves, it will become a permanent part of your publishing routine. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on optimizing your workflow.